Doji star. Doji star looks like this. A doji star, in simple words, means confusion. If you see a doji star, that means confusion. A doji star consists of a red or a green candlestick. The first candle is a normal red or green candlestick, followed by a doji candle that opens gap above or below. Now what do I mean by that? If it is a red candle, the first candle, then the doji opens lower. That is pointing to a downward trend. If it is a bull trend, then it will be a green candle. After that green candle, the doji, the plus sign, comes like above. It opens with a gap above, pointing to a bull run. So basically it points to a continuation pattern. However, it is considered as a reversal signal. That is the red and doji star or the green candle and doji star. If the price immediately rises after this pattern, then you will know that it reverses. Example, in the red candle, it's falling right here as I have mentioned. In this fall, if a green candle follows it, then you will know that a reversal is coming. And same way, if it is a bullish pattern, then suddenly a red candle comes in, then you will know that fortunes are turning. Now I will show you the doji star on chart so that you can understand how it really looks like. Doji star bearish. Now what really happens is the first candle is a red candle. So it opens at 23.38 and closes at 22.97. So it's a red candle. It could be a big red candle or a small red candle. That doesn't matter, but in a bearish stance, it should be a red candle. And then the next day, it opens lower. Example right here at 22.93 and closes near the open. Example right here, 22.89. Now it could have a sharp high up or a sharp high down. That doesn't matter, but it's a doji. Now this pattern means that we will rely on the next candle. If it opens like this, a green candle above eating the red candle, bullish. If it doesn't, then it will change. Another example is right here. Here it opened at 24.22 and closed at 24.02. The next day it opens lower, 23.91. It has a sharp low. This doesn't have a sharp low. And the point is, we are not looking at the shadows or lows. We are looking at the candle. The open closes 23.91, 23.90. This is the doji candle. And we will be relying on the next day. It opens up, but doesn't make a convincing candle. It's again a doji. And then doji means confusion. And if you look at it, it falls off for the next 2 days. Here it was not a doji, so it rose up. So you will be always looking at what happens next to understand either you should be betting your money on it or not. Thank you.